Health and wellness are essential components of a fulfilling life, and setting ongoing fitness goals plays a crucial role in maintaining a balanced and active lifestyle. The future continuous tense can be a powerful tool in predicting and discussing our future fitness aspirations and actions. In this tutorial, we will explore how the future continuous tense can be applied to health and wellness by providing numerous examples. Firstly, let's consider how the future continuous tense can be used to predict ongoing fitness routines. For instance, I will be exercising at the gym every morning at 7 a.m. next week. This sentence conveys a planned and regular activity that will contribute to maintaining physical fitness. Similarly, she will be attending yoga classes 3 times a week for the next 3 months. Shows a commitment to a specific form of exercise over a defined period. Moreover, they will be eating more fruits and vegetables to improve their diet. This sentence suggests a continuous effort to make healthier food choices for long-term well-being. Likewise, he will be drinking plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Reflects a proactive approach to maintaining good health. Additionally, the future continuous tense can help us talk about ongoing fitness goals. For instance, by the end of the year, she will be running a marathon after months of training. This sentence highlights a future achievement that is the result of consistent effort and dedication. Similarly, they will be working on building muscle strength to enhance their physical fitness in the long run, underscores a gradual and continuous progress towards a specific goal. In conclusion, the future continuous tense is a valuable tool for discussing ongoing fitness goals and predicting actions related to health and wellness. By using this tense, we can articulate our commitment to maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle, setting achievable objectives, and working towards long-term well-being. As we look ahead to the future, let us embrace the power of the future continuous tense in shaping our fitness journey and achieving our health goals.